Hello everyone, welcome back to Hopetrader Academy. Today we will be doing weekly analysis, and last week was a bullish week which has given a closing above our levels, which is supposed to be bullish in the coming weeks. So now Bank Nifty and Nifty both are going towards all-time high, but it has to sustain in the levels where it has closed. Then only you guys can expect an all-time high. Till then you cannot expect any all-time high where it has been going right now. So this move, it can be due to G20 meet. Okay, and the crude oil news is whatever you're seeing, that crude oil prices will rise, and our petroleum and diesel rates will also increase. That is not possible. The election is near. Okay, the government will not do that. It will affect their elections also. That is also possible, a one way to think out of it. And afterwards we can also check how the banks are reacting, how major stocks of Nifty 50 are reacting, and then we can decide our next week move. So let's start the video. The first thing we will be analyzing is Nifty 50. Okay, so over here in Nifty 50, let me remove all my drawings. Remove all drawings. It's done. 1 week time frame. Yes, you can see it's a very good closing. Okay, Nifty 50 has given a very good closing, and it is near all-time high. So let me show you. Yes, over here. This is our all-time high, 19,990. So that is a great way that market can go up and give us a very good closing above that, and then it can go up and then take a reversal. That is also a possible way. So this is one of the strongest resistance, and this is one of the strongest support. Day 1 day time frame, nearest resistance and nearest support also. Yes, nearest resistance. Very good. And 4 hours time frame we have is, this is perfect, I guess. Let me show you. Yes, 1 hour time frame, we cannot see any downtrend line or uptrend line. We can still get an zone over here. You can see this zone, very important zone. This is support zone. So for next week, what will happen? So we can see a all-time high in market. Okay, by this way we can see a all-time high. So according to me, now Nifty can reach 20,000 levels. Okay, if it reaches 20,000 levels, that's a new target, and which is a very good, appreciated by globally also. G20 meet, everything is positive. So I think 20,000 is not stoppable. It can go till there. And over here on the downside, if Bank Nifty comes down below 19,640, which is this support which I have drawn, then only you can expect a down move. Unless and until that, you cannot expect any down move. Okay, so next week plan is very simple. We will be aiming for all-time high in Nifty 50. For tomorrow, Monday, what can we do? So here is the reason. You can see it is taking support and going up. Let me extend this line a bit. Yes, I'm going to give you 3 scenarios: gap up, gap down, and flat opening. If it is flat opening, okay, if it opens somewhere in this zone, wait for breakouts. Let it give a breakout in the high along with the retest, then you guys can expect an up move. Okay, this is about flat opening. Next is gap up opening. If it opens gap up, let it come down a little bit, take support near this trend line, then create a long position. Okay, gap down. If it opens gap down, okay, let it go up, pull back, and then take your long position. So according to me, it's a gap up opening. Okay, gap up opening. So when it opens gap up, wait for small pullback, and then you guys can expect this. The pullback can take place over here also, or it can also take place over here. So this is my plan for tomorrow as well as for next week. So let us check Bank Nifty. Same way, weekly time frame. Let me remove all the drawings. See, Nifty looks bullish more than Bank Nifty. 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour. No need of this. Yes. So for next week, Bank Nifty is expected to stay above 45,000 levels so that it can achieve the targets of 45,100, 400, 45,800, and then all-time high is possible. Okay, if it achieves this two target, then you guys can easily expect the all-time high. So weekly plan I have told for tomorrow, 15 minutes time frame. First thing is gap up. If it opens gap up, comes down a bit, you guys can create your long position over in this region or over in this region and then expect an target till here, 45,800. Only if it breaks 45,000, then you guys can expect the down move. If not, you must be in the bullish side only. And after that, in gap down scenario, let it open gap down, a small pullback, you guys can create your long position. Then first target will be 45,400, second target will be 45,800. So both the scenarios I have told, and one more is flat opening. If it opens flat between this area, this and this, let it give a breakout on downside that is below 45,000, then let it sustain, then only take the trade. If not, if it gives a breakout on upside, create your long position, 45,100 first target, 45,800 second target. This can be your Nifty weekly analysis. See, I have been doing this for 5 weeks now and it is working perfectly with me. So what I am telling you guys is, no matter which trade you take it in equities, future and option, commodities, anywhere. Be aware of the news and do multiple time frame analysis. No need of any strategies, nothing is required. Just do what is required in the market to be done. That's it. Next is finance. So if you're new to my channel, please do go and subscribe to my channel. I have removed all the drawings. See, finance and Bank Nifty looks weak. Nifty week looks strong. All-time high, support, 1 day time frame, resistance, 4 hours time frame, nearest resistance rejection is going to happen over there, 1 hour time frame. This is the support. Next 15 minutes time frame. If it breaks, let me show you till where it can go first. This is possible. If it breaks for tomorrow, that means for next week, if it breaks 20,200, you guys can expect 20,400 and then 20,600. This is the targets I'm giving you for next week. So in intraday, let me show you. If it breaks Friday's high, okay, you guys can expect a retest and 20,400 is possible. So this is the tomorrow's plan. But what if it opens gap up, gap down? All those things I'll explain. So if it is a gap up opening, let it come back, take support, and then you guys can go for long. If it is a gap down opening, let it come down, a small pullback, you guys can create your position over here. Just keep over this zone as stop loss, entry over in this box, and then target. Okay, gap down over, gap up over. Now flat opening. See, flat opening is little difficult in finance. Make this range, flat opening, give a break, then only take the trade, or else do not take trade in finance. So this is my finance analysis, Nifty finance. Next, I'm going to crude oil analysis. We are moving on to global and crude oil analysis. So this is crude oil. So all the crude oils, the commodities are negative except crude oil. Why is crude oil going up? There is a news that there is a shortage in supply. Saudi has told that, Saudi and Russia, that 1 million barrels per day will be deducted in whatever we are supplying. So that is why crude oil is going up. But there won't be any change in India. I think so. Okay, according to my experience, I think so. There won't be any change in India for the prices of petroleum and diesels. So let's see what might happen. So crude oil has given a positive closing. So no matter if crude oil goes up or down, it is not going to affect us. So other than that, if you see silver is negative, gold is negative, when does this become negative and positive? When people remove their funds from gold and silver and invest it in equities or in our stock market. So where they invest is when they invest is when they have a strong belief that our market will go up. So that is why silver, gold, all these things acts negative to our market. If it is negative, then our market will go positive. If our market is negative, then this is going to be positive. So remember, when there was a COVID fall also, gold and silver prices went up. The same way, now it's a good news. If it goes up, gold and silver goes down. So just remember one thing. Tomorrow when market opens, check commodities. Have they opened gap up or gap down? If our market is gap up and this is gap down, so then you guys can get some confirmation, small confirmation that we can expect a up rally in our market. So these are the things that you need to look into commodities. Now moving on to global markets. See, global markets, almost US is slightly in a positive and rest all are okay. And in our market, we have confused situation. So after tomorrow first half may be bullish and then it can go negative. So what I am suggesting you guys is wait for movements, wait for breakout, wait for sustainability of the price in the levels. Then you guys can expect the move because it's a confused situation in global market. Okay, there are issues in the global market like crude oil. Only in India it will not affect, it will affect, but government won't put the prices on us. Okay, they will try to manage it. After the elections they may put, but over here what might happen, that it might not rarely affect our market soon. But now the thing is market may get affected if our price, if any changes in the government policy, if they increase the prices, then it may affect. Till then, tomorrow first half is going to be bullish, second half trade carefully. There might be small, okay, small covering in the up move that can happen in the market. So that is what I have done now. So as you can see, I have made bank nifty analysis. Now let us check banks in the banks. Okay, so I'm not going to go in depth in banks, just some higher time frame analysis. In the last or that last week we did that it may go up this level 19,000 9,000 sorry 990 level, 92 level. If it crosses, then we can expect, but it did not cross. And as you can see, Axis Bank is making 1 2 3. This is it can fall down possibilities. ICICI Bank, no such great move, still it is trying. HDFC is bullish actually. Okay, HDFC is bullish. So let's see how it works. Kotak has just formed a double bottom. Now if it gives a breakout, it will go a very good movement. SBI has already given some consolidation in this zone and then give a breakout possibilities. So these are the major banks which I analyzed now. So now I conclude this video by saying that tomorrow first half will be bullish, and after that you guys can expect some sideways move or some pullback. So make sure you wait for confirmations, and after Tuesday watch my tomorrow markets analysis. I'll be uploading it here only in the YouTube. Watch it and then you should know what you're doing in the market. If you are not watching tomorrow's market, whatever prediction I'm giving you that you're following, it's very difficult because G20 meet will be over, the outcomes will be there. We need to analyze that. We need to know what might happen in the further cases. What is positive for us, what is negative for us, is there any affecting in Nifty by 50 banks, Nifty 50 stocks and Bank Nifty stocks, anything is getting affected by G20 meet, what are the positive things, all these things we need to look. So do watch my tomorrow's analysis in the market. Okay, in the YouTube I'll be uploading completely regularly. I'm doing it, don't need to worry. So if you have any doubts, you guys can comment below. I'll be replying any doubts. If you have, I'll be replying to everyone, and I'll give my free Telegram link in the description. You guys can go there and you guys can join the free Telegram channel. You will be getting live market updates. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, just comment below and we'll meet tomorrow with Tuesday's analysis. Thank you guys.